really is a special thing, you know, to see the smile on somebody's face and the joy that we're bringing through something that we enjoy. I decided to buy one 3D printer, and I designed a hand for a young boy up in Newcastle named Eli, who was born without fingers on one of his hands. I sent this 3D printed hand up to Eli, and a few weeks later I got sent these videos from his family of him opening up the box of his new Iron Man hand and trying it for the first time. And when I saw the smile on his face, it just changed my life forever. My name is Mat Bowtell, and I'm the founder of Free 3D Hands. We're a charity that designs and manufactures 3D printed hands and assistive devices, and we send them to anyone, anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. The two main factors in 90% of the population not being able to access assistive technology is predominantly due to the high cost and the lack of skilled workforce able to supply those devices. So our vision is to be able to empower individuals and communities to be able to manufacture their own low-cost, high-quality devices, as well as to have the skills to be able to utilise those. In the early days, I had one 3D printer in our lounge room, and we put a baby fence around this 3D printer so our own two young children wouldn't reach in and touch these parts that I was printing. My vision was just to make one hand for one kid, to keep in a positive mindset through a difficult time. But it was through the support of the community and people encouraging me just to increase that vision that we've been able to do that. And now here we are, we're in an amazing new design centre. We make hundreds of devices a year. They can be from hands to simple devices like a skipping rope attachment or a device for people born without a left hand to play the piano. A girl contacted us to make a skipping rope attachment to hold a skipping rope, just so she could do an activity at school for one day. And once she shared her story, then we found hundreds of other children around the world wanted them as well. So we're more than happy to spend years developing a device just for one person, because we know that if we share that design open source and others are able to make it, then we can help hundreds, thousands of people. So we released our kinetic hand design in October 2020. And since then, about 4,500 people around the world have downloaded our design to be manufacturing for people around the world. We've eliminated ourselves from the equation, and that was always the plan. We received some photographs and a message from one of these people that this hospital in Thailand had made a hand for. And this man had gone without both of his hands for 50 years. All of a sudden, this hospital have been able to download our software, our design, and make these hands for this man. And he sent us a message saying that he was going to the shrine to show his Lord Buddha, both of his hands. And that was just really, really special. The next big goal for us is to develop a low-cost bionic arm. We're trying to develop something that is 1,000th the cost of current options. We have people that are supporting us born without an arm, supporting us to test and trial that as well. I've never been happier in my life through commencing on this journey. Just the joy that I get on a daily basis, and we haven't sacrificed at all. This is choosing this life it's been a really special thing. To be named an LG local legend, it's just a really kind honour, and reminding us that we must be doing something right to keep going, and gives us a lot of confidence moving forward.